यार गाइस, ऑनेस्टली बोलूं तो इंटरव्यू का सबसे कॉमन बट सबसे डेंजरस क्वेश्चन है, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ। लगता सिंपल है, बट जैसे ही इंटरव्यू बोलता है दिमाग फुल ब्लैंक हो जाता है। कुछ लोग तो अपनी पूरी लाइफ स्टोरी सुना देते हैं एंड कुछ बस 2 लाइन्स बोल के चुप हो जाते हैं। But guess what? This is actually your golden opportunity to make a killer first impression. और आज के इस वीडियो में मैं तुम्हें एक सुपर सिंपल 3 स्टेप फॉर्मूला बताने वाली हूँ जो तुम्हारे दिमाग के इस दर्द को हटा देगा। And guys, you will be nailing this question like a pro. First, let's understand that why do interviewers ask this question? Okay, let's be real. ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए नहीं पूछा जाता कि उसे आपकी पूरी लाइफ स्टोरी सुननी है। वो बस देखना चाहता है कि आर यू कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ, आर यू क्लियर इन योर कम्युनिकेशन एंड कैन यू पोजिशन योरसेल्फ वेल फॉर दिस रोल। ठीक है, सी 2 मेन रीजंस होते हैं। Number 1, to check how you are different from others and what's the edge, what make you unique. Number 2 is to evaluate whether you will bring real value to the team, to the company or not. And you know what? The psychological fact says that in a study, recruiters decide in first 90 seconds if they like you or not. Shocking, right? So your first answer is everything. And the bonus tip, जब आप स्ट्रक्चर्ड कॉन्फिडेंट आंसर देते हो तो आपका ग्रोथ माइंडसेट भी सामने आता है। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, in 2025 that is the biggest green flag for any company. So पहले समझते हैं कि what are the common mistakes which people usually make while giving the interviews. Okay, so see, ये common mistakes इतनी major है which can cause you the rejection. And you know what? सबसे ज़्यादा लोग क्या करते हैं? Either they start narrating their life from school, childhood, hobbies, favorite color, blah blah blah. मत करो. Or they'll just go. My name is Rahul. I'm from Delhi. बस खत्म. And the result? Nothing. Because either you overshare or you undershare yourself. That's why this simple 3-step formula will be helping you. So guys, let's deep dive into this. So formula, step number 1. See, start simple. Okay, your introduction, that is you can say, start with your name, your current role, your educational or professional background. For example, if you are fresher and you are sitting for the interview, you can say, hello, my name is Monica. I am currently pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication from ABC University. And if you are working profession, then you guys can say, hello, my name is Monica. I have been working as a software developer for past 2 years, majorly focusing on backend development. Most important, no over talking, no life story. Simple. First step is introduction. Now let's move to our second step. See, here in this step, you will be highlighting your skills, also with your achievements. See, this is the meat of your answer. Okay, here you have to mention your internships, your projects, certification, awards and skills. See, always try to quantify because numbers create impact. हर hiring manager का दिमाग impact से ही खुलता है. 70% recruiters, trust me, more adjectives. Okay, they are trusting more adjectives 70% of recruiters trust numbers other than adjective. If you are fresher, you can say, I have strong interest in web development. I have built 3 full stack projects using React and Node.js. Recently, I was interned at XYZ company as a front-end developer, where I worked on improving page load speed by 30%. I am also an active participant in hackathons. I recently secured second place in college level coding competition. And if you have some experience, then your answer should go like, in my current role, I have worked on optimizing backend APIs, reducing the response time by 40%. I also led a team project that helped to automate internal tools. It saved 100 hours of manual work every month. See, always remember, sharing your achievements isn't bragging, it's clarity. You're not showing off, you're showing up. Now, let's move to our step number 3. Show you belong. That is why this role and why you. Now, connect yourself with the job. That why this role, what excites you, and how you are fit for that role. Okay, now see, if you are a fresher, you can answer like, I am looking to be the part of team where I can apply my skills in a real world environment, collaborate with people and grow further. I believe my problem solving skills and eagerness to learn will make me a strong fit for this role. And if you are experienced, then for this step you guys can answer like, I am excited about this opportunity because I enjoy in working on scalable products. This role aligns perfectly with my passion for backend engineering and my interest in problem solving performance. See, always keep in mind, do not talk bad about your previous college, previous job or any of your past experience. Your professionalism matters. Okay? So see guys, now I'll be giving a one full length sample answer, which you all guys can reframe in your words to stand outstanding. Hello, my name is Monica. I am a computer engineer student from NSIT Delhi. I have strong interest in web development with hands-on experience in HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React. I have built multiple projects and recently have completed an internship as a machine learning intern at XYZ company. I have also published a research paper as a part of my academic journey. Now, I am looking at an opportunity where I can continue learning, I can contribute to powerful projects and also grow as a developer. See, always keep in mind that your answer should not seem like you have mugged up it. No. Keep it natural. Okay, it's fine if एक point ऊपर नीचे हो गया. It's absolutely fine. Okay, just don't mug it up. Now see, always keep in mind that अब next time जब भी interview में कोई पूछे tell me about yourself, then you should not freeze. You won't fumble. Okay, just keep it simple and natural. What is the formula? Introduction, achievement and job fit. See guys, while answering this question, it is your moment to turn the tricky question into a successful pitch. If in this question, if you outstand, like if you perform outstanding, then you will be building the trust to the interviewer that yes, the candidate is perfect, he can work. And always keep in mind, while answering any question, you have to show that you are eager to learn. Okay, so guys, if you like this video and this helped you, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also tell me in the comment section that what type of introduction you guys are going to give in your interview. Thank you so much.